So today I'm going to give you a quick lesson in winols. This is a genuine copy of winols 5. I know plenty of people using cracked copies without issue, but it's not that expensive if you're going to be using it for work. So I didn't see a problem buying the full version. Today I'm going to show you how to import files and create versions within the file. And I'm going to show you how to find changes within the version or a modified file. So if we get out of this menu, and here there is a file from an RDA 6, an EDC 17C64. So it's going to take you through a few menus. You can put as much information as you want. Straight away, WinOLS will look within your database to see if you have similar files. As you can see, I have quite a few similar files to this one. Um, you can cancel the import and just open the above, or if you want to keep track of regs or what's been done, you can just continue adding the file, which is what we're going to do today. Don't need to worry about the checksums. Straight away, it gives you the properties, the part numbers, and build of the ECU. In most cases, not all cases. Next, and here, so we're going to just put test and license plate. We'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put the VIN in. You can put as much detail as you want. You don't need to go overboard on it. You can put the horsepower or whatever else. Again, there's all your Bosch part numbers. And finish. So there is your text dump of your Audi A6. You can scroll through the data, look and find whatever you want. To add a version onto this. So say you had bought a stage 1 file from the tuner, you want to see what's been done to it rather than just flashing it on blind. If you just drag and drop that on top of the original, it's important to start with an original file from one of this. If you start with a modified file, you don't know what changes have been done as it references the original. So next, you can just write in stage 1 and then finish. So let's just take you through a few basic shortcuts. If you press the N key, it'll bring you to the next change. And if you press the V key, it'll bring you to the previous change. WinOS tries to find potential maps. As soon as it opens, really, it searches for potential maps. Some of them are correct, guess what? But some of them are not correct. And they done manually, which is another topic for another day. If you want to export that file, if you hold Control and E, I'll export that file. As you can see, it puts the reg in. You can put your business in, whatever you want, what's been done to the file, and you can save it, and then write it straight to the car. If you wanted to see, we'll come out of this and we'll delete this file. If you had a file that you wanted to see if it was already modified, then you weren't sure, if you load it in. So I know I've already got that file on my database. We'll just add it as we would. Just, so that's stage 1, but as you can see, there's no modifications highlighted at the bottom. That's because there's no original file. So if I'll just use the menu. There is shortcuts for this, but go to find similar projects. Delete that out. So as you can see, the software version here is the same, part number is the same. So in theory, this original file here should be a match to my original. So we'll change this version to should, because we're unsure. As you can see, it straight away it changes. So we'll link these two files together. So we connect the two windows. And then if we reference our possibly tuned file to our original file, straight away you can see all the changes have lit up in white. We hit N, change it to 16-bit for this particular map. As you can see, it just shows it as it's the original. So if you wanted to put this file back to standard, if you had an original for it, if you highlight it, Control and A to select all the map, and then you can either hit F11 or change the original value, and that will give you an original for that. You can then save that and make it the original in this project. So we'll reference all the changes in your stage one, just like it did previously. Hope that makes sense. Just delete that file. Hope that's a help to somebody. If you find it useful, let me know. Like the video, add a comment, and if there's anything you'd like to see, I'm not a wizard at OLS by any means, but if there's something you want to see, something I can help you with, let me know. I'll try my best.